Welcome to the EMC Avamar Administration course. This course is part of the Proven Professional track. It actually supports two different certification exams that we have. For implementation engineers, this supports the 594 exam. It's the backup and recovery for Avamar specialist exam for implementation engineers. And for a customer, it supports the, or for a storage administrator, it supports the 598 exam. Basically backup and recovery for storage administrators. So if you're interested in taking either of these exams, this course will support that. A lot of the exam topics come from this course, but also other courses. So you'll have to check exactly which other courses you would need to take in order to learn the material for the exam. Okay, so what we're going to do in this course is basically this course is going to provide knowledge on how to administer an Avamar server. So it's going to be administering, monitoring, troubleshooting. It's meant for any type of backup administrator that is using an Avamar server. Hopefully before you have taken this course, you should have taken the EMC Avamar Overview e-learning course available on the EMC Education website. So what we're going to do is we're going to describe the Avamar advantage over traditional backups. What's different about Avamar? What makes it special? We'll talk about the different Avamar terminology. We'll talk about the different system components and the processes that run on an Avamar. We're going to take a look at Avamar deduplication and how that actually works with an Avamar server, what that process looks like. We're going to learn how to install the different Avamar software. There's the Avamar Administrator console that you would use to administer an Avamar server, and also the Avamar client server that is used to back up Avamar clients. We're going to perform on-demand backups and also restores. We're going to use Enterprise Manager. It's just another GUI with Avamar. We'll talk about Avamar replication, and we'll learn also how to configure that replication. We're going to use Avamar Client Manager and the desktop-laptop interfaces. There's just two more interfaces available, one for managing clients, as you might guess, and also for performing end-user on-demand backups and restores. I will also talk about different maintenance activities on the Avamar server. Checkpoints, HFS checks, and garbage collection. We'll become familiar with what those are. And then finally, we're going to look at different system monitoring, maintenance, capacity management, and troubleshooting. So what it's going to look like, this is a 3-day course, but of course, if you're watching the video, you can watch it at any time you like. First day is typically the Avamar fundamentals and Avamar administration, and we have a number of different labs that go along with that. If you're watching this on the video, be sure to click on the video demonstrations where we basically go through these labs and you get to watch it happen. There's really only so much that I can explain with static slides, so seeing the labs happen is really very beneficial. Day 2, we'll get into doing backups and restores. We're going to look at how that's performed. Then we'll do some labs where you will perform various different types of backups and restores. And we'll also look at Enterprise Manager and replication. And finally, day 3, we're going to look at detail of the different system monitoring and maintenance tasks, and also the logs and troubleshooting and reporting. And as usual, we'll have a lot of labs to go on with that as well.